Hey guys, it's Kenzie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am reviewing the Neutrogena Naturals Moisturizer and the Neutrogena's Oil-Free Acne Cleanser, the salicylic acid one. I didn't make an intro to this, so I am making an intro right now. I'm really sick in the next clip, so I kind of sound all stuffy and kind of down, but it's just because I'm sick, so don't mind it. But if you guys are interested in watching me review these products, then just keep on watching. So I just bought the Neutrogena Oil-Free Acne Wash Cream Cleanser. It's a salicylic acid acne treatment, and it caught my eye in the store. And I have really bad acne, but you can't tell right now because I kind of have makeup on, but it's gotten a lot better, but it's still really bad. It says results in just 1 day. I really don't believe that. I also use, one second. The Neutrogena Rapid Clear Stubborn Acne Cleanser. It's maximum strength, and it treats even stubborn acne. I think it's been working. I've been using it for like 4 months. I've seen a difference, but also I don't know if it's because I've been using that or because I'm on birth control that's targeted to help acne. And then I also bought the Neutrogena Naturals Multivitamin Nourishing Moisturizer. But I decided to buy this because I'm almost out of the Pond's. I've used Pond's, and I like this a lot, except for I like how thick it is. I like the smell of it. I like how moisturized it makes my face, but I don't like that it leaves like a film on my face. And then I also use the Aveeno Positively Radiant Micellar Gel Cleanser. It's a makeup remover, but it's also just a cleanser. So, hi fake cat. Come in, I guess. My cat's in here. Say hi, fake cat. Hello. Oh, baby. His food bowl's empty. That's why he's coming to bother me. But anyways, I like this because it is a gel cleanser. It doesn't foam and it doesn't leave my face dry. It doesn't strip my face. I wanted to make this because I want to give my impressions on this. I like reviewing things. I like giving my opinions. I'm going to test these out. I'm going to use this. Well, actually, I really don't understand how what order you're supposed to really do stuff. I know you're supposed to wash your face and then moisturize, but if I have 3 washes, what am I supposed to do? Because this is a makeup remover, so I have makeup on. Am I going to use this first and then this and then this and then moisturize? Who teaches these things? Because I don't know. But that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to wash my face with this and then the Rapid Clear Acne treatment. I'm going to go wash my face, and then I will be back to tell you what I think. So I just finished washing my face, and this is what I look like without makeup on. So I have really bad acne scarring here, really bad acne scarring here, here, here. These are still pimples that haven't surfaced yet. A few here. I still have a cyst on my eye that still has not gone away, and a couple acne scars on my forehead and here. Hopefully that this wash will help. Actually, so I really like this. I really enjoy the smell of it. While I'm telling you about that, I'm gonna use this and then tell you about this, because I haven't moisturized yet. But I really like that. The way it felt on my face was really nice. The smell of it was really, really good too. But I really can't give you a full opinion of it just from the first use of it. Wow, that smells good. I will update this with what I think of that soon, after a week. This smells really good. This smells really, really good. I like this a lot. Yeah, it doesn't feel too greasy or too heavy. It's kind of soaking right into the skin. I like massaging my moisturizer into my face. See, because my acne is right here though, I tend to get really, really dry right here. I don't put as much moisturizer here and here as I do here. So I'm gonna just take a little bit more and focus that right there. I think it's pretty nice. It smells really good. I kind of can't explain the smell. It's supposed to be a Neutrogena's Naturals. It's a multivitamin nourishing moisturizer. It's supposed to replenish essential skin nutrients throughout the day. It has vitamin B, C, E, antioxidant, omega, bionutrients for healthier, younger looking skin, and it won't clog pores. I don't know, I'm excited to use this though. I like the smell of it. I hope that these two products help my face. But yeah, I will update you guys in about like a week or so about this. So this is day 3 of using the oil-free acne wash, the cream cleanser. That's a salicylic acid acne treatment from Neutrogena, and the Neutrogena Natural Multivitamin Nourishing Moisturizer. So I think that I like this a lot. I think that it's helping. I don't know so far that I like this as much as I like the Pond's. Pond's gives me a really, really nice, intense moisture to my face. And it's not that my face feels dry, it just doesn't feel as moisturized as when I use the Pond's. But the Pond's leaves a film of like grease on my face, and I don't like that. That's why I wanted a new one. And this gives like the vitamins to your face also. Here is like a check-in, I guess, of my face. This has actually gotten really better. Like, it's smooth now. It's not bumpy and textured. It's just all scars. There's like one active pimple there, but that's okay. And then over here, I'm getting a couple more active pimples, but it's mostly all scars. And this, I don't know what this is. It's like I can feel the stuff underneath my face, but I can't rid of it. And also I have this, like, there's like a cyst or something under my skin here. There's no like head to it or anything, and I kind of wish it would just go away. And then my forehead isn't that bad. It's just a bunch of acne scars again. Not really, like, that's kind of active, but not really. My face looks really red right now, actually. But yeah, that's day 3. I'll check in another couple days. Hi guys, it's been a little bit over a week of testing out the oil-free acne wash and the Neutrogena Naturals moisturizer. So I just wanted to give my like final opinions on them. I like them both. I can't really say that there's anything that I don't like. I like the smell of this, the way it feels on my face. I don't really see that much, like I do see a difference in my skin and the texture and like my breakouts, but I can't tell you if it's exactly from this or if it's from this. Or I have another video that's coming out of me using pure aloe on my face to fade my acne scars and reduce the inflammation. I can't tell you if my skin is being better from just this or the vitamins that are in this, but I think it could just be a combination of all 3 things that I am using. But I do like this. It doesn't really dry out my face. Usually when you're using 2 topical treatments, your skin can get irritated really quickly, but my skin, it hasn't been irritated. It hasn't had much redness. I haven't washed my face yet today, but I wanted to show you it before I washed it, because sometimes after I'm done washing, my like acne is a lot more like red and inflamed, I guess you could say, just from like my pores being open from the warm water that I wash my face with, and like, I don't know, just from washing it. Here is a close-up of this side and then this side. I do have 2 new pimples here that are coming out. So using the acne wash really isn't preventing the acne from happening, but it's definitely helped clear up some pimples. Like I had this one is almost gone all the way, and it helps clear them. Like after they form, it helps clear them within a day or 2, which is nice, and I really like that. So now onto the Neutrogena Naturals Multivitamin Nourishing Moisturizer. I like this, but I don't like it at the same time. I like the smell of it. I like the creaminess of it on my face and the way it feels. But there's some, I don't know, like, it's not that my face is still dry after I use it, but it feels kind of tight, and it doesn't moisturize as much as the Pond's does, like I said before. So would I recommend both of these products? I mean, yeah, go ahead, try it out, see what it does for you. Everybody's acne is different, and everybody's skin is different, so what works for me might not work for you. I do like these both. There's nothing negative I really have to say about them. Well, actually, the only thing that I don't like about this is that it does have fragrance, and that's why it smells so good. And fragrance can be an irritant to some people. It doesn't really irritate my face, but that's something I do try to stay away from because it can be irritating. I hope that you guys found something informative from me reviewing this. I enjoy reviewing products, and I'm hoping to review even more products in the future or whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've tried this or this, and tell me what you guys think of it, or just what you think of this video. If you guys want to see more content like this, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. I'm really excited to be back on YouTube. But until next time, guys, bye.